and successfully developed a modern and scientific logistic information management system, which provides great convenience for customers to get the goods safely and quickly. Also, we also have a number of professional production lines, from production to assembly, and then to the inspection of finished products. Every step is strictly checked to ensure the product quality.
So today we will show you the main products of our factory, including solar energy products, PCB control boards, and fan motors. Later, we will take you to our model room for a tour. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us.
Yes, so today the first product we want to introduce is the solar energy product. We can see behind me is our solar inverter. Our factory manufactures power inverter, solar controller, and battery chargers for over 10 years. With the development of the economy, more and more people are interested in renewable energy, especially for most of the country in Southeast Asia. Cindy, do you know why?
Yes, of course, because this country have long daylight hours.
Yes, correct. And the solar energy can be used efficiently. The solar energy is free. You can collect it from the sun and convert it into electricity. Moreover, it is environmental friendly to us, right? And it will not cause pollution to our living place. Here, from the left to right, we have the hybrid solar inverter. Sandy, do you know why we call them hybrid?
Yes. Hybrid means have three functions in one.
Three functions? Which three functions?
The first one is for power inverter. The second one is for AC charger, and the number three is for solar controller.
It includes these three functions in it, yes. Right? Okay. And we have for the hybrid solar inverter, we have the high frequency. These two models, such as FPS. Yes, model FPS and the FMPS model. Both of them are the high frequency inverter. And next we can have a look at this one. This one is a low frequency inverter. Do you know why we call? Yeah, and its number is FPL. Yes, this one is low frequency.
So Joey,
yeah?
I'm confused. Why have a low frequency and high frequency?
It's a good question. The low frequency, when we use it to connect the home appliance, yes, it will be stable. Yes, it will be stable than the high frequency models. And of course, it has a transformer in it, so it will also heavier than this high frequency model.
Transformer.
Yes, it has a transformer in it. Yes. And okay, let's move on to this one. Is our new product? Yes, it's our new product, and it is a solar pumping inverter. And this model is FPV 100. FPV 100. Yes, use this inverter. We can use it to connect the solar panel and the water pump. Yes,
water pump.
Yes, which can be used to ecological control, environmental control, domestic water, farm irrigation, and water and soil conservation.
Wow, that sounds very good.
Yes, it is very a useful product, right?
Yes.
Yes, and okay, let's move on to here. It is a whole system of the solar
how the solar system, how to connect, right?
Yeah.
Okay, see from here, this one is from solar panel. Then connect to the solar controller.
Yes.
Then solar controller, it can connect from battery inside. Then connect to DC or AC. If you use DC, must connect this power inverter.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. If you use DC, then you can direct connect from solar controller.
Yeah.
If you want to use this AC, so you must connect power inverter.
To change the DC into AC power,
yes.
right?
Yes.
Yes.
It's like this.
So it's how the solar system works.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we move on
On
to
here. And here we can look at here. So many items. It looks really nice, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's green color. And now this part is for modified power inverter.
Modified power inverter. Okay.
And this part is for pure sine wave power inverter.
Okay, this is pure sine wave, right?
Yes, pure sine wave.
Yes. So what's the difference between modified and pure sine wave?
Yes, modified it means you can use the normally home appliance. For example, for computer, TV, and LED.
Okay.
Like this. For pure sine wave power inverter, you can use for like
Some powerful.
big power machine. For example, it's for
Air
refrigerator, air condition,
Okay.
water pump, like this.
Okay. I see.
So depend on which machine you want. So you can choose from between them.
It seems that the pure sine inverter will be better, right?
Yes, but of course the price will more expensive than modified power inverter.
Yes, good product worth the good price.
Yes. So now I special to introduce one new
This one?
our item for you. This one, this is a pure sine wave inverter and UPS with charger.
Oh,
Pure sine wave with charger.
wow, it seems good.
Yes, this is a new item. Special and number is FFU 1000C. FFU 1000C. This is our new item.
And we are strongly recommend this to our customers, right?
Yes. Now we can look this part. This one is for AC charger. It means it's a battery charger.
Oh, battery charger.
Battery charger, it depends on which battery you want to use. They have many different types. For example,
This one is with DC. This one is
this have a LED digital.
display.
They have a 10 ampere, 20 ampere, 30 ampere, 40 ampere like this.
Okay.
So they have many different. Now we can look here. It's a solar controller. Solar controller, they have the two systems.
Oh, which two system?
One is for PWM system, and another one is a MPPT system.
Okay, so which one will be better?
Of course, the MPPT system, but the price is more cost than PWM system.
Okay, and for and so what is the difference between MPPT and the PWM system?
Their big difference is the frequency.
Frequency?
PWM, the frequency is about 70%, and the MPPT, the frequency about 95%.
Wow, it's higher.
Okay. All of them are made by our own factory and with high quality.
Yeah.
If you are interested in them, you can.
Yes, you can follow our Facebook account. Wait a moment, I find it.
Or you can add
Later
our
we will
WeChat.
show you our Facebook account or at our WeChat and WhatsApp number. Right? We have an excellent team to answer your question. So let's move on.
Machine control board,
Okay.
air condition control board, induction cooker control board, light wave furnace control board, and fan control board.
There are lots of them.
Yes, they are one of the most popular is core products of our factory.
Okay.
The first product we see is the washing machine control board.
Washing machine control board.
Yes, Usually we separate them into two types. Zoe,
Yeah.
do you know which two types?
Yes, I know it. The first type is specific board. Here, please have a look at here. These are the specific board. It can use for some fixed brand such as Samsung, LG, and other popular brand. And the second type, we can have a look at this one. It is a universal board, which almost all washing machine can be used. And the universal board also separated into automatic universal board and roller universal board. The automatic universal code is SCL220OE. Please remember this. This is for automatic. Yes, and the roller control board is the SCL520OE. SCL520OE.
Okay, please follow me. Yeah, and follow my steps. And then we can look at here. There are air condition control handles. So many items. Most of them are universal, easy to install, good price with good performance. Generally, there are two types condition control boards: single coolant and co-heated. We can single coolant and co-heated. The model of our company are U07PG plugs. U07PG plugs.
Yes,
This one is for single coolant.
Single cooling.
And another type is co-heated. U09PG plug.
Yes, it is co-heated.
It is co-heated.
Okay, please, may I have your attention here? Okay, next we will show you the another hot-selling universal induction cooker board, and its model is A+. Please have a look. Yes, it is used for induction cooker, and its model is A+. Is the most popular product of our factory, right,
Yes.
Cindy? Yes, and also we have this SC11F, SC11F. And this one SC12F, SC12F. And in addition, we also have two type of the touch type induction control board, and its type is D003, and this one D005. Both of them is used for touch.
Yeah, touch one.
Yeah. And
For the light.
yes, and also for now our SC11F is doing the promotion.
Yes.
Yes, you can buy 10 piece and get one free. Yes,
Yes.
so if you are interested, don't be hesitate to order this.
It sounds really nice.
Yes, 10 piece
10
get
piece,
get
one
one
piece for
free.
free. Wow.
Yeah. And then we will have a look on the furnace. The lightweight furnace. Yes, control board. Generally, they will separate it into 5 lights and 6 lights. Yes, 5 lights and 6 lights. This for the. Okay, next we will show you the another hot-selling universal induction control board, and its type is A+. This one is the most popular induction cooker board in our factory, right, Sandy?
Yes, 1 year can sell more than 100,000 pieces.
More than 100,000.
Yes.
Yes, and we also have this one, SC11F. SC11F. And this time now we are having the promotion.
Which promotion?
If you order 10 piece, you can get 1 piece free.
This
Yes.
sounds really nice.
Yes, if you are interested in the induction cooker control board, so don't be hesitate to contact us and make the order. Okay. And we also have this one, SC12F. SC12F. And in addition, we still have two type of the touch type induction cooker control board, and its model is D003 and the D005. Yes, this one, these two is for the touch type.
Touch type.
Yes. What's more, we also have the lightweight furnace control board, and they usually separated into 5 light and 6 light. Yeah, separated in 5 light and 6 light. Yes. And Sandy, could you show us the next product?
Yes, we can see the fan control board now.
The fan control board. Yeah.
FB01 and FB02.
Yeah. So what's the difference between FB01 and FB02?
Yes, the biggest difference between them is FB01 can be used for cooling fans.
Oh, used for
cooling fans.
Yeah.
Yes, which is a special function. And FB02 only can be used for floor fans, table fan, and the other fans.
Okay, I know it.
And the other functions are almost the same.
Okay, I see. Thank you, Sandy. Okay, and here, all the PCB board we mentioned above are the main control board style produced by our factory. And if you have other PCB board requirements, we can make them according to your sample. Okay, next follow us. We will show you another popular product of our factory, and it is
the fan motor.
Fan motor.
Yes, it's also made by our own factory.
Yes, we have our own factory to produce it, so the quality can be ensured, and we also can provide the best price to our customers, right, Cindy?
Yes.
Yes. So as we know, fan can be said a very common household appliance in our daily life, and its use frequency is higher compared with the other household appliance. So therefore, the fan motor is also very popular product throughout the year, right, Cindy?
Yes. As we can see, these products behind me are fan motors. So how can we distinguish so many fan motors?
It's not so difficult. First, we can distinguish according to the type of fan. Our fan motor are mainly separated into table fan motor. Yes, please have
Table fan
motor. Yes, and the wall fan motors. Yes,
fan
this
motor.
one with iron shell. Yeah, this one is for the table fan motor. And also we still have the box fan motor. Yes, it's smaller than other.
It's so cute.
Yes, and also look a little cute. So when the customer asks for the fan motor, the first step we need to confirm is that what type of the fan our customer used. And secondary, it can be distinguished by the finish of the motor stator, right?
Motor stator.
Yes, please have a look here. This one is the motor stator.
Yes.
Yes.
Motor stator.
Yes. Usually, the finish of the stator made by our factory usually including 12 mm, 14 mm, 16 mm, 18 mm, 20 mm, and 22 mm. And also we can make other finish according to our customers' requirements, right?
なんか Facebook メッセージするそうなんで
So next,
It can be distinguished by the material of the wire.
yes, the material of the wire.
Material.
You can
Yes.
check here.
The fan motors
wire.
produced in our factory are mainly made of copper wire and aluminum wire.
Yes,
This
two
wire,
type.
generally speaking, the price of copper wire motor will be higher than the aluminum wire motor, but the service life will be longer.
Yes, and lastly, it can be distinguished with or without the ball bearing.
Ball bearing.
Yes, this
What
type.
mean ball bearing?
Yes, we can look at this type. This type is with ball bearing, and it can change the friction mode of the bearing. It uses rolling friction to effectively reduce the friction between the bearing surface and make the motor work better and smoother, right? And so, if you are interested in our motor, please feel free to contact us. And please. Yes, please. So this is the end of the main production, of our main product introduction. So next, Sandy will show us to our sample room of our office. So please follow Sandy's step.
Okay, see me again. Please follow my step. Let's take a look at the sample room here, which is included with other electrical appliances. Here are the white electric spare parts, including microwave spare parts, and have a rice cooker spare parts, and some other water dispenser and stuff, and electric kettle spare parts. And here we have induction cooker spare parts. Especially for this one. This one is a very hot sale item. It's for coolant fans. And next we can see this part is for air conditioning spare parts. Here we can see the other one is for refrigerator spare parts. And now these parts, all of them is for washing machine spare parts. You see, so many items. Now, and the other side, we can see other spare parts. This for other black electrical appliance. This wall is for cable. For example, for AV cable, DVD cable, HDMI cable, VGA cable, and optical cable. This wall. And this part we can see is for LCD bracket. All of them are made by our own factory with good quality and good price. And now we can see here is for some TV spare parts. Here we can see is for some tools. And now we can see the last one. This one is for power supply and some adapter. This is our last
Thank you, Sandy, to show us the sample room. So after the small introduction of our factory and our product, and our office. Yes, this is our office, and our office is located in the Yueshu district, Guangzhou City. And we have a professional sales team to take in charge of different countries and different markets. So don't be hesitate if you have any inquiry of our product. Feel free to contact us. You can follow our Facebook account and our here. This is our Facebook account, and you can Yeah, so you can contact us and we can tell you more details about our factory and our product. And
Yes.
also you can scan this QR code. Yes, this QR code you can talk with me and follow our Facebook number, our YouTube.
Website.
This is YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah, or at our WeChat or WhatsApp number. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so we are looking forward. We are looking forward to cooperating with you, and we can give you the product with good price and high quality.
Okay, all of my dear fans, this is the end of our Canton Fair online broadcasting show.
Yeah.
Remember to take care of yourself. Hope to see you again in the next Canton Fair.
Yes. Have a good day.
Bye.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our Canton Fair online broadcasting show. This is Joey.
This is Sandy. It's my pleasure to have you here. This is the last day of our online Canton Fair. In the past 1 week, we had sold a lot of products to our dear fans through the online show.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching the show and supporting us these days. Today we still want to show you around our sample room and make a good ending of this online Canton Fair.
Yes, as we had mentioned before, our factory is committed in producing high-quality home appliance accessories, PCB control panels, motors, and solar energy products. We have a strong R&D and design team, more than 10 years of R&D and design experience, and a number of independent intellectual property rights and invention patents.
Also, we have more than 2,000 square meters of office space, a comfortable working environment, and a professional sales and service team of more than 100 people. We have established a number of home appliance spare parts outlets in China. The perfect after-sales service and the convenience of fast delivery made the company's business network cover all over the country. The company has become a leader in the industry.
Yeah, what's more, our company has a warehousing and logistics center of more than 20,000 square meters and successfully developed a modern and scientific logistic information management system, which provides great convenience for customers to get the goods safely and quickly. Also, we also have a number of professional production lines, from the production to assembly and then to the inspection of the finished good, of the finished product. Every step is strictly checked to ensure the product quality.
So today we will show you the main products of our factory, including solar energy products, PCB control board, and fan motor. Later, we will take you to our model room tour.
Yes.
If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us.
Yes, and so the first product we want to introduce today is the solar energy product. We can see this product behind me. Yeah, our factory manufactures the power inverters, and solar controllers and battery charger for over 10 years. With the development of the economy, more and more people are interested in the renewable energy, especially for most of the country in Southeast Asia. Sandy, do you know why?
Yes, of course. Because this country, they have long daylight hours.
Yes, correct. And the solar energy can be used efficiently. Solar energy is free. You can collect it from the sun and then convert it into electricity. Moreover, it is environmental friendly to us to use, and it will not cause pollution to our living place. Here, from the left to right, it's our hybrid solar inverter. So, Sandy, do you know why we call them hybrid?
Yes, hybrid, it means have a 3 function in one.
3 function in one.
Yes.
In one. So, which 3 function?
The first function is for power inverter.
Okay.
The first function is power inverter. And the second function is for AC charger.
AC charger.
Yeah, second function is AC charger. And the number 3 function is solar controller.
Okay.
Number
solar
3
controller.
is solar controller.
Yeah.
It means these 3 functions.
Yes, that's why we call this a hybrid
Yes.
inverter, right?
Yes.
Yes, and for we can see that we have the high frequency inverter, which model is FPS and
FPS.
FMPS. Yes.
FMPS.
Yes, FMPS. These two are the high frequency inverter.
High frequency.
Yes, and please look at this. This also a hybrid solar inverter, and this one is the low frequency.
Low frequency.
Yes, compared with this, this one is low frequency.
But I'm confused. Why have a high frequency and low frequency? What's different between them?
The most different is the low frequency inverter. It's stable. It's stable than the high frequency when
Stable.
when we connect with the home appliance. Yes. Also, this high low frequency FPL with the transformer in it. So it will also heavier than the high frequency such as FMPS. Yes.
Transformer in it, right?
Yes, have a transformer in it.
Yes.
Okay, so let's move on. This one is our new product of our factory, and it is a solar pumping inverter.
Solar pumping inverter.
Yes, and its model is FPV 100.
FPV 100.
Yeah.
Which function is it?
Using this pumping inverter, we can use it to connect the solar panel.
Solar panel.
Yes, and the water pump.
Water pump.
Yes, which can use to ecological control. Yeah, barrel mounting control, domestic water, farm irrigation, and water and soil conservation. Yes, it is a very useful product.
Yes.
Right.
I think this is a good choice for some place without water.
Yes, it will help us a lot. So this is the solar system.
Solar
yes,
system.
it will show how our products work, right?
Yes. So I tell you how this connect. This from the beginning is one solar panel.
Yeah.
Solar panel, then connect to the solar controller. Solar controller now connect to the battery. This side for battery. If you want to direct use DC 12V, then you can connect this solar controller.
Yes, to use the DC
DC.
power,
那
right?
灯可以看一下，浏览器灯你看一下。控制器第3个是灯，上面按钮控制器上面第3个，对。
So now
看那个
it shows you is direct use for DC 12V. If you want to use for AC 220, so you must connect one power inverter.
Yeah.
Transfer the DC to AC. Now this one is home system.
Yeah, and this is how it works, right?
Yes.
Very convenient and very easy to understand it.
Yeah. If you go to outside to mounting someplace outside, you can tap like this one system.
Okay.
So now follow my steps. I will show you another hot cell products. Look at this side. This one is for this green one is all for modified power inverter.
Modified power inverter.
Yes,
Okay.
modified power inverter. And this part, this green one is for pure sine wave power inverter.
So Sandy, what's the difference between modified sine and pure sine wave?
Yes, please look at here. This modified, this pure sine wave inverter, the waveform is like this. And the modified power inverter, the waveform is different. And here. Yes, you can see here. The modified power inverter, the waveform is like this. And pure sine wave is like this. The waveform is different.
Yes, this one is the pure sine wave, and this one is the modified sine wave, right?
Yes, and they also different about the frequency. Pure sine wave usually can use for the big power machine. For example, is for air condition, refrigerator, water pump like this. And modified power inverter usually used for TV, computer, LED like that.
Okay.
So it's their difference. Now I want to show you our new products. This one is for pure sine wave with charger. This is a new item and also very hot sale.
And what's the function of it?
Included battery charger.
Oh, battery charger.
It means AC charger. And have a pure sine wave power inverter. Pure sine wave power
And
inverter.
have the UPS function, right?
Yeah, UPS. It means when you want to use these two functions, they will transfer automatic.
Oh, I see. Very
Yes.
convenient.
Yes, so that's why I special to
This model is
introduce to you.
FFU.
And the model number is FFU 1000C.
Yeah, FFU 1000C, a new product of ours inverter.
Now we can look at here. This is for battery charger. It also we call it AC charger.
AC charger.
They have a different type. Have a LED digital,
LED digital.
and
Yeah.
the normal one without.
Yes, we also have 12 volt and 24 volt.
Yes, but the popular one is for 12 volt. And they also have a different amperes. For example, from
10?
3 to 14.
3 to 40?
Yes, 3 ampere, 5 ampere, 10 ampere, 20 ampere, 30 ampere, 14 ampere.
Okay.
Like that.
Six.
We show you the next one. This one is for system. One is PWM, and another one is MPPT controller.
But what-
PWM and MPPT.
Okay, I know we have two systems, but what is the difference between these two systems?
Yes, PWM, it means the frequency is about 70%.
70%.
Yes, 70%. And MPPT, the frequency is about 95%.
95%.
Yes,
Wow,
it's-
it's much higher than the PWM
Yes,
system.
but of course the price is more higher than PWM.
Yes, it is no doubt that the good product for the good price.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Below this item, all is made by our own factory.
yes.
With good quality and good price.
Yes, so for more details, you can follow our Facebook account. Here, you can follow our Facebook account or YouTube account, and or at our WeChat and WhatsApp number here. Yes, we have a professional sales team to answer your questions. Yeah, okay, so we will move on.
Now, let's introduce another hot selling product of our company.
Yeah,
Home appliance control board.
home appliance control board.
Yes.
Yeah. So, Sandy, could you introduce what kind of home appliance control board do we have?
Yes, it's including washing machine control board.
Washing machine control board.
Yes,
Yeah.
and air condition control board.
Air condition control board.
Induction cooker control board.
Induction cooker control board.
Lightweight furnace control board.
The lightweight furnace control board.
And fan control board.
Also has fan control board.
Yes.
There are lots of types.
Yes, they are one of the most popular export products of our factory. The first product we see is the washing machine control board.
Yeah.
Usually, we separate them into two types. Joey,
Yeah.
do you know which two types?
Yes, I know it. And they usually, the first type is the specific board. We can have a look here. This one, these are the specific control board. It means that it is used for some fixed brands such as Samsung, LG, and other popular brands. Yes. So, and please have a look at here. The second type is the universal board, which almost all the washing machine can be used. And the universal board is also separated into automatic universal board and roller universal board. And the automatic universal board, the code is SCL2200E. SCL2200E. This one is for the automatic. And for the roller machine, we have this type SCL5200E. SCL5200E. Yes, this is the two type. And please, now let's please follow Sandy's step.
Yes. And then please look at here. Follow my step. We can see another hot cell control board. These are air conditioner control boards. Most of them are universal, easy to install, good price with good performance. Generally, there are two types conditioner control board: single coolant and co-heating.
Yeah, single coolant and co-heating.
Yes, single coolant and co-heating. Now we can look at the booth. The single coolant, the code is U07PG plug.
U07PG plus.
Yes, single coolant, U07PG plugs. And the other one, the co-heating one, U09PG plugs.
Yes, it is co-heating, right?
Yeah, co-heating, U09PG plugs.
U09PG plus. And so let's please follow me. Yeah, next I will show you another hot cell induction cooker product of our factory, and its model is A+.
A+.
Yeah, induction cooker control board A+. This
A+.
one is the most popular induction cooker board in
Yes.
our factory.
This one year can sell 100,000 million.
Wow, it's a great.
Yes.
And next one we will look. This one is model is SE11F. SE11F. And this one we now having the promotion. Do you know what is it, Sandy?
Yeah, if you can buy 10 pieces, you can get 1 piece for free.
Yes, 10 piece get 1 piece free. This model, please
Yes.
remember this model. If you have any requirement, please contact us and make the order. Okay, don't miss this chance. And next, it is the SC12F. This is SC12F is also a very popular induction cooker board in our factory.
Yes.
And in addition, we also have two type of touch type induction cooker control board, and its model is D003 and D005.
D003 and
D005. Yes,
Touch one, right?
yes, it is for the touch type.
Yes.
And in addition of the induction cooker board, we also have the lightweight furnace control board. Yes, they are usually separated into 5 lines and the 6 lines. 5 lines and 6 lines. Yes, this is for the lightweight furnace control board.
Okay. Finally, we can see the fan control board.
Yeah.
Fan control board. FB01 and
不要
FBO2.
打在镜头。
So what's the difference between the FBO1 and FBO2?
Yes, the biggest difference between them is FBO1. FBO1 can be used for coolant fan.
Oh, used for cooling fan.
Yeah, coolant fan, which is a special function. And FBO2 can only be used for floor fan, table fan, and the other fans.
Okay.
So there are big difference.
Okay.
And the other function are almost the same.
Okay. Other functions are almost the same.
Yes.
Okay, friends. All the PCB board we mentioned before are the main control board produced by our factory. If you are interested in the PCB board requirement, we can make them according to your sample. Next, follow us. We will show
Yes.
you another popular product of our factory. That is
The fan motor.
motor. Yeah, the
Fan
middle one.
motor.
Yes. As all the fan motors are made by our own factory, we have our own production line to produce this fan motor. So if you are interested in them, please feel free to contact us. We can provide the good price with good quality, right, Cindy?
Yes.
Yes, and as we all know, the fan can be said a very common household appliance in our daily life. Its use frequency is very high compared with other household appliances. So therefore, the fan motor is also a very popular product throughout the year.
As we can see, this product behind me are fan motors.
Yeah,
Fan motors.
a lot of fan motors.
So, how can we distinguish so many fan motors?
It's not so difficult. Firstly, it can according to the type of the fan. Our fan
Yes.
motors are mainly separated into 3 types. It includes table fan motors. Please have a look.
Table
at
fan
this.
motor.
This one is the table fan motors. Yes,
And
this one.
gearbox.
Yes,
Gearbox is for table fan motor.
yes. And the wall fan motors, like this one. Yes, I have an iron shell. It's
Iron
for the-
shell.
It's for the fan. It's for the wall fan motor. And the last one is the box fan motor. Yes, it's smaller than the others, and those a little cute. So secondly, it can be distinguished by the finish of the motor stator. Here, the motor stator.
Motor stator.
Yes, it can distinguish by the finish of it.
This part.
Generally, our factory produce 12 mm, 14 mm, 16 mm, 18 mm, 20 mm, and 22 mm. Of course, we can also produce them by your sample. Okay, if you have any other finish, you can tell us, and we can make them for you.
Next, it can be distinguished by the material of the wire.
Yes, the material of
Yes,
the wire.
the
please.
wire. The fan motors produced in our factory are mainly made of copper wire and aluminium wire.
Yes, two types.
Copper and aluminium wire.
Yeah.
Generally speaking, the price of copper wire motor will be higher than the aluminium wire motor,
Okay.
but the service life will be longer.
Yeah, and lastly, it can be distinguished by with or without the ball bearing.
What
Yes.
what meaning for ball bearing?
We can look this one. This one is with ball rolling friction to effectively reduce the friction between bearing surface and to make the motor work better and smoother. And so, if you are interested of our motor, please feel free to contact us. So this is the end of our main product introduction. So next, Sandy will show us to our sample room of our office. So please follow Sandy's step.
Okay, please follow me. Let's take a look at the sample room here, which is included with other electrical appliances. We separate them into 2 parts. One is for white electrical appliance and black electrical appliance. Here we can see is for while electrical appliance is including induction cooker. It is included microwave spare parts. For example, for this one, the microwave magnet chain, it is very popular. Okay, we can see the other part is rice cooker spare part. Now we can see this part is for electrical kettle spare parts. So many spare parts. And now we can see here is for induction cooker spare parts.